What are you going to do on April 8th? Whether you're in line to view the total eclipse or you're somewhere off to the side and we'll have to just imagine what it looks like, we have some great tools to help you have an even more enjoyable experience. I'm Laurel Frank from the Dynazyke Academy, and Dinah and I have designed some free downloadable foldables that you can use with your students. They look like this. There's directions, there's a video that shows you how to use them, but let me talk you through what they look like so that you can enjoy them with your kids. The first page is a direction page. It has a little picture of what each of these foldables will look like. So all the directions you need are right here. It's a VKV, otherwise known as a visual kinesthetic vocabulary card. And this one starts with the root word umbra. And so an umbra is the shadow that you'll experience during the total eclipse. And then if I fold it this direction, penumbra is what you would experience if you were in line to see a partial eclipse. And the last one is antumbra, which during the summer of 2023, when we saw the eclipse, that was our moon was farther away, so it didn't quite cover all of the surface of the sun, so it left that ring of fire around the sun. That's called an antumbra. So all of those are related words that are represented with this VKV. And in these circles, kiddos can color in what those would represent, what it would look like for each of those experiences of the shadows. We also have a 3-tab booklet. This one happens to be printed in color, but all of these can be printed in color or black and white. This little piece on the side here is called an anchor tab, and this is intended to put into a notebook. So kids will cut this out, fold on this dotted line, and then we'll glue it into a notebook first and then do some cutting. So once it gets glued into a notebook, it looks like this. So kiddos can lift and put information underneath. And you'll see these images right here would be helpful for kids as they fill out that VKV. Also see a little flip book. You cut these pieces out, they are numbered. They will flip to see what the eclipse looks like. So you could use this before the eclipse, during the eclipse, or afterwards to see that experience one more time. Or if you're not in line to see the eclipse, then you could use this to show your kiddos what's going to happen. Next thing is what we call a billboard. So this one kiddos assemble, it's onto a regular piece of paper that's just folded like a hot dog, and they'll glue these on, and you'll choose 4 different times during the eclipse for kids to record the time, and then they will open up inside, sketch what the sun looks like, and then write down their estimate of what the percent of the sun that's covered. And when all of these are open, after all 4 of these readings are taken, they'll all be lined up like that, where they can view that, or they can close them and they can see the times. So how cool is that? You could choose more than 4 times for kiddos to record, but this really is just a quick sketch, something to give them a little engagement when they're out observing that eclipse. Just like in the real world, a scientist will do some sketching of information. So all these are some things that are available for free for download from Dinah's website, dyna.com. Once you're there, you can download the directions and the masters to use it with your kids. And we hope that you enjoy. Have a great day on April 8th.